Good morning, dear students. Today we will start our third chapter, Managing Files and Folders. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders, and drivers. It offers you to manage and organize your files and folders. You can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename, and search files and folders. Open Windows Explorer. Click on the Start button. The Start menu appears. Then click on All Program Options. Then click on Accessories and last Windows Explorer option. Or click on the Start button and the Select Computer option from the right pane. The Windows Explorer window appears. Creating a folder. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Place the pointer on the new option. A list of sub options appears. Click on the folder option. A new folder icon will be displayed on the desktop. Type a name for the folder at the cursor position and press the enter key. A new folder is created. As you can see in the picture, when you right click on the desktop, a shortcut menu appears. Now click on the new option. Then a sub option appears and click on the first option, that is folder. Moving or copying a file folder from one drive to another. Moving a file or folder means shifting it from its original location, that is source, to another location, that is destination. Whereas copying a file or folder means to create a duplicate copy of the selected file or folder. To view the contents of D drive, double click on the computer icon on desktop. It will display the hard disk drives, CD, DVD drives, removable devices, and the network locations that are connected to your computer. Now double click on the D drive icon. It will display all the files and folders stored in it. Select any file or folder that you want to copy or move. Click on Organize button and select the Cut or Copy option from the drop-down menu. From the left pane, select the drive where you want to copy or move the file, say E. Now click on the Paste option in the Organize drop-down menu. Notice that the file gets moved or copied to the new location. Moving or copying a file folder between storage devices. In the previous, we have moved or copy a file folder from one drive to another drive. Now we will move or copy a file or folder between storage devices. To move a file or folder from one device to another, say from D drive of your computer to a pen drive, follow these steps. First, attach a pen drive to your computer. Now right click on the Start button and select the Open Windows Explorer option. Select D drive from the navigation pane on the left. Select the file or folder you want to move or copy to the pen drive. Right click on the file or folder and select Cut or Copy option from the shortcut menu. Click on the pen drive icon from the left pane. The pen drive opens up. Right click on the blank area in the right pane and select Paste option. You will observe that the selected file or folder is copied or moved from the D drive of your computer to the pen drive. Deleting a file or folder. You can delete the unwanted files or folders from your computer system. To delete a file or folder, follow the given steps. Select the file or folder you want to delete. Click on Organize button and select the Delete option from the drop-down menu. A message box appears to confirm the deletion. Select Yes to confirm. You will find that the selected file or folder has been deleted. Searching a file or folder. Windows offers a number of ways to find files and folders. Search box offers the most direct way to locate a file. To search a file or folder, click on the Start button. You will find the search box at the bottom left pane. Type either a part of the file or folder name or the complete name, or type a word or phrase that is present in the file. As you type, the items that match your text will appear on the Start menu. Select the desired file or folder. Searching file using wildcard characters. Wildcards are special symbols that can be used to search a file or folder whose exact name you do not know. There are two wild characters, asterisk and question mark, commonly spotted in Windows to search any information. Using wildcard character asterisk. The wildcard character asterisk can be used to replace a string of text in a search term. A string of text can be any number or character. For example, L asterisk dot asterisk will find files whose name starts with L and have any extension. Example, letter.docs, lottery.pptx, locality.txt, and so on. Asterisk.docs will search for all the files having the extensions as .docs, means word files. L asterisk .docs will search files whose names begin with the letter L and have the extension .docs. Using wildcard character question mark. The wildcard character question mark can be used in place of any single letter or symbol. India question mark .docs will search for all the files whose names begin with India followed by any one character and extension as .docs. Example, India1.docs, India.p.docs, and so on. The wildcard characters asterisk and question mark can also be used in a combination. The question mark dot asterisk will search files whose names contain only one character and have any extension. Example, L.docs, R.pptx, E.txt, etc. Sorting files. Sorting the desktop item means arranging them in a proper order. Windows lets you sort files by name, size, item type, and date modified. Sorting helps in easy retrieval of the required files. Using sorting, you can arrange your files according to your needs by name, size, item type, and date modified. There are 4 ways you can sort a list of your files. Name. Selecting this option orders files alphabetically by file names. Size. Arrange files in descending order of file size. Item type. Group the files based on their type. Date modified. Organize files according to the date these were last modified. Let us sort the files in alphabetical order. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Point to the sort by option and click the name sub option. The icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order. As you can see in the picture, when you right click on the desktop, a shortcut menu appears. Then click on the sort by option, a sub menu option appears. Now click on the name option to arrange the files in alphabetical order.